Today's show, we're going over turmeric. I'm Dr. Travis Ziegler.
And I'm Dr. Jenna Ziegler.
In the next 10 minutes, you're going to learn what turmeric is, the amazing health benefits of turmeric, 4 different ways you can taste or take it. Take it. Turmeric side effects, and also turmeric dosages. And we're even going to go over a little special bonus, turmeric for your furry friends. So grab a notepad and make sure you hit the subscribe button down below and hit that bell right beside it.
And we want to know, are you taking turmeric? So let us know in the comments below. We can't wait to hear about your experience.
So let's jump into the content and let's go over what is turmeric.
So turmeric is a perennial herb from India. It has a close relation to ginger, and it's actually the root of the plant that's then dried out and crushed into a powder. So it is a characteristic bright yellow or yellow-orange color.
Oranges, that's why we wore our orange glasses, and I even grew out my orange beard for it.
It's a little more yellow. Apparently we don't own a lot of yellow, but it does have a pungy, earthy odor. It's a little bit bitter, and it kind of has a peppery ginger flavor. So it's an interesting flavor. You really can't miss it in dishes. The powder is available at most grocery stores. You can find it either in the health food aisle or sometimes in the spice aisle as well. Curcumin is actually the active ingredient in turmeric, and turmeric is one of the most powerful herbs on the planet for fighting and even reversing disease. So there are over 10,000 published journal articles that prove the worth of turmeric. So it's pretty awesome.
So let's go over the health benefits of turmeric.
So number 1, it assists in weight loss and prevents obesity. And basically it assists in fat loss. So you can add it to smoothies, teas, soups, broths. We'll get into that a little bit more later. But turmeric has been shown in multiple studies to reduce body fat and lower BMI in obese people. And it can actually reduce inflammation as well, which can decrease and prevent diseases such as diabetes and cancer.
So number 2 health benefit of turmeric is it helps arthritis and helps with joint pain relief. 54 million adults suffer from arthritis. And so turmeric actually helps you reduce that inflammation and is a natural pain reliever. And actually some studies show that it's as effective as NSAIDs, which are Advil and Aleve. So it's shown to be as effective as that as a pain reliever. It also helps reduce swelling that causes pain and discomfort from arthritis, and it stops tissue degeneration, which is a big thing with arthritis.
So number 3 is that it fights chronic inflammation and can slow aging. So the root cause of aging is free radicals in the body. And basically free radicals can get into your body in the first place due to lifestyle choices such as smoking, drinking, sun exposure, unhealthy diet. And basically free radicals lead to cell death in your body. And so antioxidants actually counteract free radicals and stop them from causing so much damage. Turmeric is packed with antioxidants, which we love, and it can slow the inflammation and the aging process because of that.
So number 4 health benefit is turmeric. It's actually hard to say turmeric so many times and you just get tongue-tied. So turmeric reduces acne and improves skin health. And the reason this is because it actually defends against UV damage on your skin, and it reduces that premature cell death that occurs due to that UV damage. And UV damage, as we know, is from the sun. It also improves the elasticity of your skin. Our skin naturally loses that elasticity as we get older. That's when wrinkles form and your skin just gets a little more saggy. And that's what turmeric is good for. It is actually going to help reduce that elasticity or increase the elasticity. That's another hard word to say. And then decrease those wrinkles as well. And the reason this is because curcumin, the active ingredient in turmeric, like we went over earlier, helps reduce acne because it is antibacterial.
So number 5 is that it enhances brain function. So scientific research says that turmeric works wonders on the brain, and it can help provide energy to your brain. It can help you learn new skills and become better at other skills. It actually reduces anxiety and depression by balancing brain chemicals responsible for mood enhancement. So it can also help reverse memory problems. So overall, turmeric is really a powerhouse. So click the button to share this video if you find it helpful, and share it with somebody who you think might benefit. Also, hit the like button below while you're down there and let us know, are you taking turmeric? We want to know. So let us know in the comments below.
And everything we're going over today is in a link in the description, so you can find that down there, including what I'm going to go over next. So 4 different ways to take turmeric. And so the first way you can take it is with a turmeric tea. Turmeric tea has a nice earthy, spicy taste to it and aroma to it. And it's going to give you all the anti-inflammatory benefits of turmeric, but then you're also going to get a little bit of aid, or it's going to help you with your digestion as well. Number 2 way to take it is through an organic turmeric powder. And so a turmeric powder you can add to smoothies, you can add to soup, you can add to salad dressing, you can add pretty much to anything you want. Just sprinkle it on top. It does create a little bit of an earthy, gingery type flavor. It's a little spicy, so make sure you like the taste of it before you just douse something in it. But we like to make a salad dressing because all salad dressing in the stores are garbage. Yeah. And what you can do is just take olive oil, balsamic vinegar, and then sprinkle any herbs and spices you want in that. So turmeric's a great one for that, to get a nice antioxidant salad dressing with healthy organic olive oil. And that's going to just help you with eating healthier without all the garbage that's in salad dressing. So number 3 is a turmeric liquid drop. And so that's a supplement that's in liquid form. And all you do is, I think it's like a 1/4 teaspoon, but just go by the whatever's on the drop manufacturer that you, and we put a couple recommendations in the show notes and on the blog post as well. But you just drink it. That's it. Pretty easy. Just drop it in your mouth. That's it. Yeah. And then turmeric supplements and vitamins. So that's just like any other supplement or vitamin, comes in a capsule form. Swallow it like a vitamin, and you just take it. So we have a list of our 11 favorites in the blog in the description. So make sure you check those out. And then if you haven't hit the subscribe button to this video, make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit the bell right beside it to get all the health notifications you will need and want.
There you go. 7 turmeric benefits for your dog.
Little furry friends.
Yes. So basically we talked a lot about fighting inflammation and reducing aging and fighting free radicals and things like that. And we talk about this with turmeric because these studies were all done in humans where, it has all of these anti-inflammatory properties. However, your dog can also benefit. So turmeric is anti-inflammatory for your dog. It is a powerful antioxidant to reduce aging. It relieves arthritis pain, treats GI disorders. It can increase heart health, supports liver function, and it has been shown to be as effective as steroids for reducing joint pain in your dog. So check out the turmeric supplement we recommend for dogs in the description below.
Yeah, and just something to keep in mind with your dogs is that all those are pretty much the same as humans. They're going to give you the same benefits as they do for humans. Yeah. But with a dog, be careful giving them like powders and drops. Make sure you take one that's recommended for a dog. And that's why we linked one up in the description below. So 13 turmeric side effects. So there's lots of side effects that can occur from turmeric. It is a natural herb, but with anything natural, too much can be too harmful or can be harmful. So make sure you follow the dosage schedule, which we'll go over in a little bit. But an increased risk for bleeding is very common if you take too much turmeric. It is a blood thinner. It has blood thinning capabilities. And so if you're on a warfarin or a Coumadin, make sure you consult your physician before going on something like turmeric, supplement form, powder form, any form. And so that's the same thing with surgery. You want to avoid taking turmeric if you're going to have surgery because your risk for bleeding then increases. So with turmeric, it can also cause stomach irritation, acid reflux disease, and with any GI irritation, it can also go out the other end and cause diarrhea. And I guess up the other end is nausea. Yeah. And so it can cause a lot of things with your GI tract if you take too much of it. If you notice you're getting those symptoms, just reduce the amount you're taking, or of course, consult your physician. It can lower your blood pressure, which may sound good, but lower blood pressure, if it goes too low, that can actually be bad, like passing out when you stand up. That's never good. So it raises gallbladder contractions, which can increase gallbladder stones, and it can also increase kidney stones. And if you're pregnant or breastfeeding, make sure you consult a physician first. That's going to make sure, usually if you take the powder form, it's okay, but you want to kind of avoid those supplement or liquid forms, but always consult your OBGYN first. And don't take it if you're allergic to it. That's obvious.
We shouldn't have to say that, but
It can also decrease fertility in men. And so if you're battling fertility issues as a male, make sure you don't take turmeric. It can cause an iron deficiency. And again, the most common thing is the blood thinning. Yeah. So if you're going into surgery, stop taking turmeric. Mention it to your doctor, that's the surgeon that's doing it. And then also if you're taking Coumadin or warfarin, make sure you talk to somebody about that. So if you're taking turmeric, let us know below how you take it. And then if you've noticed the benefits from it.
So next we're going to talk about turmeric dosage. Reasonable dosage is 500 milligrams a day or so. Some experts will recommend between 400 and 600 milligrams up to 3 times a day, as well as you tolerate it. However, we always recommend that you follow the dosage either on the supplement bottle or on the package if you're using a powder. Most of the time, it's going to be tough to overdose on turmeric unless you are taking it in supplement form, but make sure you check with your doctor for all of that and get their recommendations. Don't forget to like this video and click the share button to share this video if you find it helpful, and hit the subscribe button below and also the bell beside it to make sure that you get more health information. Check out all of the other videos that we recommend as well.
We're going to recommend 2 right here. So thanks for watching.